Hi everyone, welcome to TechHub.training. My name is Jacob, and today we're going to be going over the solution for the Ad Analysis Power BI challenge. So in this challenge, we're given a Excel file that has 3 different tables, and we're asked to use this file to come up with a couple different calculations and visualizations that our boss has requested. So to get started with this challenge, download the data file from the TechHub.training website, and we're going to load it into Power BI. So to get it in here, we could just click this Excel workbook button right here and load the file and click on all 3 of the tables. So I've already done that, and we have these 3 tables loaded in: post info, site info, and template info. Once these 3 tables are loaded in, we want to make sure that these tables are connected in Power BI. So we could go over to the model view and we could view the relationships between these tables. So Power BI is pretty good at creating these relationships automatically. If it did not do that, it's pretty simple to do it. You could just click Manage Relationships and you can create new relationships. So there's only 2. This is a very simple data model. There is a one-to-many relationship between site info and post info on this platform ID field, and a one-to-many relationship on this template ID field between template info and post info. And what these relationships do, it just means that in this table, template info, one row is associated with many rows in this table. Same thing this way. So after we make sure that our relationships are all good, we can start working on the request our boss has made for us. So we're asked to produce price per redirect. Lots of social media sites charge. So like, let's say you have an ad on Instagram and somebody clicks on your ad. Instagram might charge a company each time somebody clicks on the ad. So let's just look at this site info table. So site info right here, we can see price per redirect. Every time somebody clicks, we're going to say Instagram charges $1 or YouTube charges 70 cents. These are just made up numbers. So this is one of the metrics our boss has requested. It's already produced right here. He also wants to know price per lead. For each of these, or for each lead generated, he wants to know how much it's costing us. So if we go to post info, this is kind of the meat of our data model. We can see how many leads have come from each ad produced or each post we've posted. So he wants to know how much it costs per lead and per close. So we want price per redirect, price per lead, and price per close. So to get that, the first thing we have to do is find out how much each of these posts has cost us in total. So to do that, I created this calculated column. And this is the formula I used in DAX. I just took how many redirects times price per redirect. I just used this related function to bring in that price per redirect. And with those multiplied together, we get how much each of these posts really cost us. So with that being done, we can calculate the other metrics and produce our visuals. So these are the visuals. I'm going to walk you through how I got each of these values. So first off, price per redirect. We already have this metric. It was given to us in one of the tables. So what we can do is, he wanted to know it by each different site. So I just created a bar chart, platform name as the x-axis, and I just dragged price per redirect into here. And it just summed it up. So the second thing we wanted to do is price per lead. For that, we need to create a measure. It's a pretty simple measure up here. We just summed what the ad cost was divided by how many leads we got. So that's price per lead. Very similar formula for price per close. We just replaced the lead with closes. And that gives us these 3 metrics we could see. So we could kind of see with this chart how worth it is to post on each of these, how much bang for buck we're getting. So our boss also wants to see which template had the most redirects, or which template site combo had the most redirects. So down here, I just created a bar chart again with the sum of the redirects and the platform name and template name as our x-axes. So we can see right here, Facebook with the corporate template got 94 redirects, which is quite a few. Here 92, 93 for Instagram with the trendy template. So it looks like our 94 Facebook corporate template brought the most traffic to the site. So the last thing we want to see is just which platform had the most redirects in total. So this chart over here is just sum of redirects by platform name. And we can see overall we had the most redirects from Google. So that's it for this challenge. If any of this was hard, go check out the Power BI learning path. It'll walk you through all the skills you need to know to complete this challenge. If it was easy for you, check out some of our more advanced Power BI TechHub training challenges. Please post your solution in the comments below, and thanks for watching.